no snow today.
I've already done it.
Done what?
The picture.
Yes, but I'm videoing this for...
Does that mean I'm live on air?
You're live on there with messy hair. Yes, we've got snow, more snow. Not much.
2 inches.
2 inches, Lordship says.
Maybe 1.5 inches.
Yeah, and we've got a very hungry cat who's cried for the past hour. We could hear her, so I better go and feed her.
Considering her meal time's 5 o'clock PM.
No, it's not. She gets fed twice a day. Now then, are you hungry? Yeah, are you hungry? Yes. There you go, sweetheart. There you go. Well, here's the Advent calendar number 2. And let's see what there is here. You can click this video instructions for the pattern here and video tutorials to sew the pattern. And we go down to the bottom, and this is the one we've got. Is it a bag? Oh, it's a mini skirt. Oh, I can't see me wearing a mini skirt, but it's not a bad pattern for a new sewer to make. I can imagine if my granddaughters want to make a skirt, this would be an easy one for them to make. It's just a straightforward skirt. It does say it takes approximately 3 hours, so there's a good start for somebody who's a beginner. Doesn't look too bad in that little outfit there. Don't know that I would do tartan in a miniskirt, but then again, I remember years and years ago when I was a miniskirt person, that was what I used to wear. That's interesting, the way that it's actually got the pockets like that. So it's that you're not adding the pockets, it's actually in the pattern, which probably is why it gives it that kind of rounded look there. Can you see kind of a rounded look on the hips? Not bad at all for a young person. So although this is not going to be suitable for me, I could make it longer if I wanted to, but it's a one to keep for the granddaughters if they ever decided they want to make something. Although granddaughters are very fussy. They'll say, Grandma, I don't like the colour. And I'll say, yeah, but you choose your own fabric. And they'll say, I don't care, I don't like it. Anyway, here's the pattern to go with it. So it's a bit like some of these advent calendars in the sewing when you get a little gadget that you've already got 10 of or you don't really think you'll ever use. So this is very similar. This is number 2, going back up the top. The what's it called? It's called your new favourite skirt. Oh, the Mimi skirt. The mini skirt with elastic waistband. Mimi skirt. I'm hoping you can see this. This is a Jackie Lawson Advent calendar and it's December the 3rd. So I have to find number 3. And basically number 3 isn't there. So I'm going to scroll along. And I think it's behind these trees. There it is. Can you see the red one glowing? number 3, and this is where we're going to head to. And here we're going to be making a vase of flowers. This vase here, I've actually done it before, but I thought it wasn't recording. And so you've got the flowers. I think you're only limited to a certain amount of flowers, and you can delete some. If I delete a couple, say there and there, then perhaps I might be able to add, say, something else. I'm not sure. There. And then I can move that around wherever I like. And let's have a pine cone. So put a pine cone there. Oh, it's not going to work. Let's try that one there. It's not going to work. Oh, there. So it's just a case of fiddling a bit with it and doing what you want. If you want to delete it, delete that. And let's go to some flowers. Let's put some flowers in. Let's try this one, the orchid. And so the orchid I'm going to put right at the back here. There, up there. Come on. I had trouble with this last time. It doesn't want to go. So let's try that one then. No? I wonder if I need to get rid of something. So get rid of that. Get rid of a tulip. And then let's try the orchid again. There it is. So basically I think you're restricted to the number of flowers you can have. I've probably got too many here. But I can move them around like this and shape the flower pot as I like. Basically, that's all you're doing, just messing around with it. But it fills a few minutes for you. Then let's go back. Back to, where do we want to go? Back again to here. That's it. And we're back in the room. Now, in the room, I had opened, there was a present here. What these presents do is they glow. Different presents glow on different days. And there was one here that glowed. And when I opened it, it was a pack of cards. So you can now play a game of, what's it called? Oh, golly, I can't remember what it's called now. But you can play a game of cards like this. And this will fill your evening up if you've got nothing else to do. So get yourself a game of cards like this. And I'm not going to carry on, I'm just showing you what they are. So then, are you sure you want to exit the game? Yes, I'm not playing that. I can always come back and play it when I'm a bit bored. But you can see, you can also change the decor. If I want to change this chair to different colours. And you've also got this book, which is Edwardian Christmas. And it tells you about what's coming next. I can't see all the rest because they are going to be coming on the appropriate days. So there you go. That is Jackie Lawson's Advent Calendar. Now what else is there here? It did say, welcome to your drawing room where there are plenty of games and activities to keep you busy. You will notice there's a lot of gifts to unwrap. They will unlock over the course of the Advent season. Look for the glow. Well, the one that I opened with the card game had a glow, and that's the one I was getting. Tap the Christmas tree to add your choice of colourful decorations, which I've already done. And make the drawing room your own. Tap the furniture or cushions to change the design. So you can tap them. You can change the design on the buttons. Tap the shuffle button for a surprise drawing room design. Where's the shuffle? Just remember that shuffling replaces the existing room decor and return to the main screen. So if I shuffle, don't know if I'm going to like this, but are you sure you want to shuffle? Let's shuffle. Oh, it's all red. Now go to another one. Look at that. By shuffling, you go to all different colours. Your tree stays the same, but it's the walls and the fireplace that change colour. So what colour will I have? I think I'll stick with that nice bluey colour. So there you go. And it tells you what the different music is there. Very, very great. It's a good one. It's a good Advent calendar to enjoy. And I'm going to leave you there.